Now for the one wave logo ready to be coloured. So I'm going to reduce this in size and I'm going to take 2 copies so we can experiment with 3 different versions of colour. First thing I want to do is change the symbol of the first logo to a dark red, selecting red in the swatches and increasing the cyan in the colour panel. So we'll take it up to there, perhaps there, to make that a dark red. And highlighting all the text, I want to just take this down and again. Now highlighting all the text with the direct selection tool, I like to reduce that down and the cyan just to 97%. Gives it a little change from hard black. In the next logo, using the client questionnaire answers, I'm now going to select an orange and I'm going to take the magenta up in the orange just to change it from the default colour, which isn't what I want anyways. So I'm going to take that up so it's a brighter orange to 33%, and I'm going to highlight the text and I'm also going to match it to the first logo. And in the third design, we could keep the symbol black but colour the text red just to experiment. So I select red in the swatches panel and then increase the cyan just to give it greater darkness and contrast against the black. And I also want to experiment with changing surfing to black to see how that looks. And we'll try changing the horizontal line, or what is the bent line now, the arced line, and see how that looks. Okay, I'm going to explore further. I'm going to highlight all 3 of these and use an Alt and Shift left mouse button. I'm going to drag down another set of 3. So with this done, I'm going to select the direct selection tool and I'm going to try a yellowy colour for this symbol. See how that looks. For this, I'm going to try a light blue. All colours stated in the client questionnaire. Moving the sliders in the colour panel just to move things slightly to give colour differences. And for the last in the row, I'm going to try a different shade of red, a bright red. This helps to give a more aggressive feel, as though it's a sign of danger. Perhaps a dark red for the text. Okay, so having looked at those 6, I'm deciding upon this one to send to the client. So this marks the final piece. Any additional changes to colours can easily be done during the revision process with the client.